Good day. This is the Professor, Professor CBMD PhD. And today is Tuesday, September 27, 2022. It's 1:20 and 54 seconds. AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research. Breast cancer growth. So let's hop to it here. The shape-shifting fat cells fuel breast cancer growth. Studies suggest fat cells near malignant breast tumors morph into other cell types, creating fertile soil for the disease. Date September 23rd, 2022. Source: UT Southwestern Medical Center. The fat cells are adipocytes that grow in close proximity to breast cancers can shift into other cell types that promote tumor growth, a new study suggests. The findings could lead to new ways to fight breast cancer, a disease that is diagnosed in more than 300,000 U.S. women each year and kills nearly 45,000 annually. The researchers identified novel hepatocyte-derived cell types in the mammary gland that offer a fertile soil for breast cancer, tumor invasion, and growth. Obesity has long been considered a risk factor for breast cancer occurrence and worse prognosis. Studies have shown that fat cells in close contact with breast tumor cells have an enhanced ability to break down their lipids to provide fuel for invading tumor cells. However, researchers explain it has been unclear what other roles these adipocytes play in breast cancer progression. Researchers used a genetic technique that painted adipocytes in laboratory mice so they glowed in fluorescent color, making it possible to follow these cells long term. When the researchers implanted breast tumors in the mice, or genetically manipulated the rodent's own breast cells to turn them into tumor cells, they saw that nearby fat cells shrank and took on forms different from native adipocytes. Genetic testing to identify which genes were active in these fat cells showed these cells first regressed on an earlier stage in development, then gradually developed genetic markers of other cell types, including connective tissue cells, muscle cells, and immune cells. Further investigation showed these changed fat cells encourage breast cancer tumors to grow. However, this property also depended critically on their ability to supply energy to neighboring tumor cells. In addition, the properties of the cell types that fat cells morph into after they lose their lipids and their fat cell identity are important, since they add significantly to the local fibrosis, which contributes to the stiffness of breast tissue. When the researchers enhance the lipid storing capacity of mature fat cells, they cease to morph into other cell types and no longer promoted tumor growth. The mechanism for how adipocytes change into other cell types is not yet clear. However, a chemical signal from the tumor cells is probably responsible for this phenomenon. The research colleagues plan to search for this signal and look for other ways to manipulate this system to discourage breast cancer growth. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.